Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avis and Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a simple and easy starter, crispy, spicy and tasty fish pakora in Hamari style. Wow, it looks yummy. For making this, we have taken fresh boneless Apolo fish, now cut them into small pieces as shown here. Now we are going to marinate our fish pieces. For that, add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, Garam Masala powder, curd, fish masala paste, and gram flour. Now mix all together. And add little bit food color. Now mix it again. Now keep it aside for 20 to 25 minutes. Now take oil in a pan. Once oil heat up, add our marinated fish pieces into it. Deep fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Here you can see our fish pieces are nicely turned into golden brown color. Now take them out. Now fry all like this. So here is our fish pakoda. It's ready. We garnished with some fried cashews, green chillies and curry leaves. Wow! It looks delicious. Crispy, spicy and hot fish pakoda are ready to eat. Now squeeze lemon on it and have it. Believe me, it tastes great. So do try our recipe and let us know your feedback in the comments. If you liked our recipe, then do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the future notifications. Thank you.